one of the things that we commonly come across and have people do is they'll bore out large cracks from their dash and just fill it up with Bondo. So we have this 67 Cadillac dash here where our customer had carved out large areas of the dash and filled it in with thick layers of Bondo, leaving cracks on both sides of it and really not addressing the core issue, which is the foam that's underneath it is like a sponge. So even if there's a solid surface on top, if we were to vacuum form over the top of that, it would absolutely just collapse the entire dash pad. So it wouldn't survive the vacuum forming process because there's so many pounds of pressure that come down on the dash. So one of the things that we do as part of the prep work to get this going is we take one of these guys and carve out all of that Bondo, and that's just part of the beginning of the stripping process. We're gonna have to strip out all of this spongy foam before we can lay down our new high density foam to give it a new structure.